Hi guys, the purpose of this short video is to show you how to rank a video on YouTube in 2 minutes using free tools and without appearing in front of the camera. First, you need to install a free Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere. The purpose of this extension is to show you useful Google keywords in research and search volume, how many people search for that particular word in a month, cost per click, and competition. Okay, once it's installed, it should appear on the right hand side of your Chrome browser. Okay, now here I am in my Chrome browser. Let's say if your niche is affiliate marketing, type in affiliate marketing. Okay, now you should notice two things on the right hand side. First, there is an icon here that you didn't have before, and now on the right hand side you also get keyword suggestion for the phrase you are looking for in your niche. The first one is volume. That is how many people search for a particular key phrase in a month. The second one is cost per click, that is if you were paying for advertising, and the third one is competition, that's how many people are competing for it and how difficult it is to ultimately rank your video. Now the best way, if you want to rank your video fast and without any hassle, we need to look for volume of around 150, which means 150 searches per month. So we could look at selling affiliate products on Shopify or free affiliate programs, no website needed. Next, we need to search for a software called Lumen 5. Now this is a really amazing software and I love it, not because it's free, just because it really is a great software and I think I would be prepared to probably pay for it. This software converts blogs into stylized video with background music, which can be uploaded to your YouTube channel and you don't have to appear on it. It's really great, very quick to create. So let me go to the software and show you how it's done. Okay, now we are in the software. Now there are different methods of creating a video. You could use a URL, or you could use a copy and paste method, or you could start from scratch. For this purpose, I'm gonna use a URL, which hopefully I can find easily. Okay, let's say we use this one, lodging at last minute. I'm gonna copy the URL if it allows me, and then I'll go back to the software and paste it inside and just hit the go button. It will take about a minute to create. Okay, here we are. Look, it's already created the first scene for me. Now, in order to complete the rest, we're going to need to select sentences or what we want to say. So let's try that. Now it's created the second one. Now, because I chose a very long sentence, it's created different scenes. For this purpose, I'm going to allow it, but you could always just shorten the sentences and you'll just have one scene. Let's create a few more scenes. Okay, great. Shall we do one more? Let's just do one more. Okay. Now this program is absolutely amazing. It allows you to completely stylize it to your liking. Now let's say we don't like this picture. We can just drag and drop, and because these two are related to one sentence, unfortunately you have to it won't allow you to select different pictures. So let's choose another one. I don't know, let's just choose this one. Okay, we could leave this one as it is. Okay, now we can also add music to this. It gives us a list of music we can already use, or you could actually upload your own music. For this purpose, I'm just gonna choose something that exists, which is vacation. Okay, I'm gonna use this one, which seems to be related to what we're doing. And then really that's it, you're done. All you, well, you can preview it first. Okay, you saw how easy it was to create this video. Then all you need to do is finish it. So okay, so in order to rank your video, you must do 4 things. You must save the file as a keyword you're trying to rank for. The keyword must be featured in your video, written or spoken. The third thing is the keyword must appear in the video tag, and it must also appear in the keyword description. So it must also appear in your description of the video. Now, if you follow all these steps, you will be able to rank your video in under 2 minutes. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.